Hey guys, we are going to Ikea. We're just gonna shop a couple pieces actually, but I just wanted to take you guys along and we'll have a look together. Um, Ikea is like such a tough like little go if you're not buying a ton of stuff because you just walk around. It's really one big warehouse. Um, but yeah, we've just decided to do it, and honestly, I think high risk because we're doing this without eating, and I don't know what we're expecting. I'm gonna be starving by the time we are done, but we're in a bit of a time crunch, so we gotta go. I hope you enjoy the vlog, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's go.
Why did they do that?
Why'd I do that? Look at that, man. Yeah, but I'm not picking up like, kind of little small things.
Are you buying anything?
Potentially, yeah. Yes, ish.
Why am I broke and you got?
I ain't got that much money. I just got like.
You look like money.
All right, and the journey starts. Were you eating? So yeah, this is like the setup. It's just like a whole bunch of like little showrooms. And honestly, I was here like so recently that there is nothing that is the walk around is not gonna be it's not gonna be me. I'm doing this for you. But look, set up little apartments, and then everything is just priced. And you'll be surprised, even like the tiniest little things are also like available for sale. But so what I usually do is as I go around, if I see something I like, I take a picture because you're gonna need it at checkout. So yeah, we are actually going to a very specific place, so let's move around. But the ambiance is always so nice in this place. Makes you really imagine things. It just gives me like dorm room furniture vibes. And like very well decorated. And like when I was saying like every little thing, you see even the glasses, like every little thing is labels that you can purchase, the plant and everything. So I love it. I love the showrooms. They're so cute. Bebe, what do you think of this table?
Upgrade, you ready? I think it's good. Let's take it.
It's too short. I
Too
mean,
short?
it's too, yeah, short. It's not long enough.
What? What?
How do you feel? How are the chairs?
Who are you trying to feed?
Just, a nice little maybe party of 6, 8. I think. Do you think we can fit like 3 chairs underneath here?
You'll be tight, but again, you don't get that many people.
That's true. But I don't want the whole just like 4 people thing anymore. Yeah, I feel like we can have.
You can actually get a bench instead,
Yeah.
so that you can sit to the side.
Uh-huh.
Then when we have more people at the bench, we'll be chairs.
Yeah, I like it. Let's take a look. Let me just take a look
Even
at.
the color?
No.
What's it say?
I like a grayish, woodish thingy.
Was it what?
It's
Say what?
$4.29.
$200?
Yeah, I'm not that rich, babe.
Oh, and one seat is $70.
And oh yeah, okay, yeah. Anyway.
Nice things are not cheap.
Oh no. And this is not even like IKEA is not even like expensive furniture, there's worse. It's just like good starter stuff.
What do you think?
Oh yeah, exactly. That's nice.
But
It's
in white.
yeah,
But
not
look at
even
that.
like that. Oh no 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 no, just jokes.
Why is it this different?
I don't know. So yeah, we're actually looking for side tables. So yeah, this is bedside tables. So just look around because you kind of have to be resourceful because you might see something. Hold on. You might see something that works, but it wasn't meant for that. So have to kind of stay vigilant. Stay vigilant. Are you get out of a shot? Oh, babe, would you buy this?
What?
The sofa bed thingy as a.
What did you
Oh my
want?
god, I just want to sit here. Oh god, this is nice.
Take it in. Take it in. It's things you don't have.
Do you know what? When you see certain things, you realize you like the concept. You see this closet bedroom concept? It's just nice.
Going inside.
Huh?
Going inside.
Yeah, like a full room. A part of the room is a closet. It's more walk-in. You know. Um, maybe you can. Um, yeah. I like just being able to put more cabinetry inside a closet so that it's, more visible and open and stuff like that.
It's all those things you want to be able to get now. See how they get it with that
So this the little
contrast.
table I was telling you about, babe. To say, look at this side table. See how just nice and cute it is. Yeah. But this not for the bed, for a couch because it's next to. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, they're not that fancy looking and they're a little bit dirty, but from afar they look great. Like you actually don't realize how much gold can really accentuate a home, yeah? Yeah, the mom. And the colors available.
Ain't that crazy?
Yeah.
White is enough.
Yeah.
Getting white. But we don't have to get black.
Oh yeah, for sure. We have to take it. But sometimes really they only have. This one is, baby. This one is different from this one. Oh, they're the same. This one and this one, they're the same, yeah. It says this product is out of stock.
Where? Oh yeah, both of them. Wow.
Yeah.
It
It's
doesn't
there.
say out of stock.
Yeah.
Pick up inside.
Yeah, babe. This is good.
I don't want it to be too short too.
What about this one? This.
They're a little bit different.
Yeah. Do you like it?
I want drawers.
You don't. You don't wanna.
And it doesn't matter. I'll be on the other side, hidden. You want it to match, or you want the one with a little handle?
Can't you just drill those in by yourself of your
But you
own?
see why these don't have handles because of the way they're designed. They're designed to be cool.
Yes, but you can just.
When did you become picky
I'm not picky.
about that?
I want, babe. I want this little shelf thing that they have here. This is cute, man.
It's $129.
I know, babe. I'm not buying it.
Yeah. You can just create boxes yourself and put it in your drawer
Yeah.
for now.
Okay, yeah. So we're going with that one, right?
It's the same thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
If it was up here.
Uh-huh. I think so. Yeah.
It's not too short.
Wah, wah. We're here and nothing's here. It's not there, guys. So now we gotta figure it out. Out there, there's, I don't know. We went to 29 bin 10. There's
No,
nothing.
they're in bin 26.
Bin 26. Okay.
Yeah, no, I guess the label on the speaker has to be
Okay, we found it, guys. We found it.
You gotta make sure it's
Always bring the husbands.
one.